Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with sum function in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some amounts, and the sum formula in Excel is used to add values together. It's one of the most commonly used function in Excel. So let's start. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum, and select the range of data, bracket closed, and enter. Here you can see the sum total amount of this range of data. Okay. Now here I'm going to hide some rows. So I select here the 4 to 8 row numbers and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see here the sum total amount is not changed. So for that, when you use the aggregate with sum function, the sum total will change accordingly hide the data. So let's see how it's done. So simply unhide this. I use here the Control Z to undo the action. Okay. Now remove this formula, and I use the is equal to and aggregate functions. Okay. In aggregate function, select here the function number. So here I'm going to aggregate plus sum function. So I select here the sum. So here just drag below and select the 9 number is the sum functions. Okay. So just you can enter here 9 number also and use the comma. Then select the ignore hidden rows, the 5 number for ignore hidden rows. Use the comma and select the range of data. Then bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here the 631 is sum total amount calculated. Now I'm going to hide the same rows 4 to 8. Right click of the mouse and click on the hide. See here the changes. The amount change accordingly hide the data. Only the visible data here the consider to total the sum amount. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.